Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Play Store on any smart TV. So if you want to install the Google Play Store on your smart TV, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can get it running on any smart TV. So first method, you can check first if the Play Store is hidden. So before installing, you can check if the Play Store is already installed but hidden. In here on my TV, I'm going to just go to this application menu, the one at the top, and I'm going to just scroll down. And as you guys can see, these are the list of apps installed on my smart TV. And there you go, I spot the Google Play Store hidden in here. So I'm going to add it into my favorite app list so that it's not hidden anymore. Let's go to the home page of the TV. And here, these are the list of favorite apps. You can just swipe right and tap on this plus icon. And here, just choose Play Store. This one. Click on Play Store. And now, the Google Play Store is not hidden on my TV. So I can just open it whenever I want. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.